So today we're going to be looking to install working tail lamps onto the rolling stock using the Model U battery tail lamp packs. These are an amazing little kit, quite small here, but they are hollow, which allows us to install some micro LEDs within those, superglued in position to give us a working tail light effect. First, shorten the cables and solder to the side of the resistor. This cable will be resisted. Then take the black cable and solder to the non-resisted side of the other resistor. We now have two LEDs, one with the red cable to the resisted side, with its black cable to the other resistor to the non-resisted side. This will allow for the power to light one LED based on the direction of the controller. Next, we need to pop the LEDs inside the lanterns. Here we have the lanterns from Model U Limited. These are hollow, and we'll put the micro LEDs inside these lanterns and superglue them into position, and then superglue the lantern onto the wagon. The LEDs are now superglued inside the lamp. Next, feed the cables from the lamp under the chassis. Superglue the resistors in place on the chassis and bend the remaining wire out so that it will overhang the wheel slots. Now, with the wheels back in place, you can see that the wire is touching the back of the wheels, therefore we have electrical contact with the track. As we have two LEDs, with the controller in left or right mode, we will pick up power to power one LED. Here you can see the effect. The flashing is caused by the axle wobble touching the electrical contacts. Something similar available online would cost you the best part of £25. These can be made for under 40p per lamp. All it takes is a bit of time and a bit of patience. Hope you enjoyed the video.